Hi everyone, it's Tish with Naptime Creations. Welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel. And if you're new, don't forget to subscribe. It's free and it'll help me out a lot, so hit that subscribe button. Here's a sneak peek of what we're going to be making today. We're going to be doing some acrylic pouring on a wooden heart and giving it a glass glitter finish. So let's jump in and get started. I'm going to be using my pre-mixed ready to pour paints from Artist Loft in titanium white, old gold, and black. And here are my cups. I'm going to be filling up 2 cups and I'm going to be pouring about 4 ounces in each of my cups. So in this cup here, I just went titanium white, gold, white, black, white, and in this cup, black, gold, black, gold, and a little bit more black and a little bit of white. I wanted one cup to be lighter and the other cup to be darker. This is my wooden heart. I picked it up at Michael's. I did spray paint it with a spray paint and primer to help prime it. And I just went in and kind of did a straight pour, just kind of moving my cup back and forth as I get it over, as I kind of get full coverage over the wooden cutout, doing a few squiggly lines. And then we're going to go in and tilt it and see what I can come up with. I like using these paints because all you have to do is shake the bottle and they're ready to pour. I do like to shake them up about 1 hour before I pour because when you shake them, you can introduce some bubbles. So shake them up about an hour before you pour and then use them. So that way some of the bubbles have a chance to pop. I didn't really like how this was looking, so I went in and did a few more squiggly lines. I actually do this quite a bit. I just wasn't happy with this one. I wish I wouldn't have added the squiggly lines to start with. I wish I would have just left it as the straight pour and not done the squiggly lines. But I am happy with how it turned out in the end. That's one thing I love about acrylics is you can always keep going. You're not restricted on time like you can be with resin. So if you're not happy with it, you can just add a little bit more paint, try to tilt it some more, and keep doing that until you get something that you're happy with. And when I'm adding more paint, I'm just using what was in the bottom of the cups. Because after you pour, you will be left with a little bit of paint. And as your cup sits, it kind of accumulates on the bottom and then you have enough to kind of go in and pour. So here, see, I was just adding the little bit of paint that was left in my cup, just adding a few more lines. I didn't like that big kind of U that was going across the heart here, so that's what I was trying to kind of cover up. I just wasn't happy with that. But other than that part, I really liked how it was looking. So I'm just going to add a few more lines of color and then give it a tilt. And then I'm going to call it done. I'm just going to go in and just kind of tilt to see if I can get rid of that weird kind of U that's going across there. And I got this wooden cutout from Michael's as well. I'll link all the materials I'm using down below in the description box, so if you want to get any of these products to try. And I like this a lot more than what I had originally started out with, so I'm going to leave it. I'll bring you guys in for a close-up. I'm going to let it dry for about a week, 7 to 10 days, and then we'll go in and add the glass glitter. But you can see it's got a really, really pretty nice metallic shine from that old gold. I just love using the white, black, and gold color combo together. You can kind of see how pretty that gold is right through here, and the colors just kind of sit on top of each other, so you have a lot of really fun depth in there. So after this is dry, I am going to tape the back with duct tape. I like using duct tape when I do resin. I like using duct tape on my canvases and my wooden rounds. I went ahead and mixed up my resin off camera. I'm using Total Boat's High Performance Slow Resin. I just went in with a little bit. You don't need a lot for this project. I went in with about 3 ounces. And I'm just smoothing that out with my gloved hand. I did make one of these, I want to say last week, and I do show you step by step how to mix your resin. So if you're new to resin, go check out that video. I'll link it down below in the description box, and I'll leave it at the end card screen of this video, so you can just click the picture and go check out that video. I show you step by step how to mix your resin, so I cut the mixing out of this video to save time. Just adding a little bit more resin around the edge of the heart here. And I'm going to hit it with my heat gun on high just to pop bubbles. And then we'll add the glass glitter. And I have my table protected with wax paper, and I have this heart raised up off my table on 3 cups. So that way, any drips are going to go on the bottom of the heart and go on that duct tape, and then you'll be able to peel them right off. So this is the glass glitter. You can get it from Laura's Art Corner. I'll link it down below in the description box along with my coupon code. Just go in and give it a nice coating of that glass glitter. Try not to get it on the sides. This stuff is sharp, so you want to let people know if you're going to be selling your pieces with this or giving them away, not to run their fingers over it because it is glass. So you can cut your finger, so you just want to be mindful of that. But here's how it turned out. I let it dry for 24 hours, pulled the tape off the back, and you can see that beautiful sparkle. The glass glitter just gives it a gorgeous, gorgeous sparkle. This is all natural. I didn't add any filters or editing to this. You can see the glass glitter does give the piece a little bit of texture. So keep that in mind too, but I really like how it looks. I'm trying to control myself and not do this glass glitter on every single acrylic pour that I make, but I just love how it turns out. So let me know what you guys think down in the comments. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you liked it. And be sure to go check out Laura's Art Corner for your glass glitter. She has tons of different glitters on her website, and I'll link everything down below in the description box. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you're not already, and go check out a few more of my other videos. That would really help out my channel a lot. Thanks again for watching. I hope you guys are all doing fantastic, and I will see you soon for another video. Bye, guys.